Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Caramel Apple Spice from Starbucks. So this is a cool drink. It's their steamed apple juice with a few different additions to it. Ooh, it smells really good. It's very hot. It's like caramel and cinnamon, and that's exactly what's added to it. So it's apple juice with whipped cream in it, and caramel and cinnamon. So it smells really good here. It smells very caramelly. There's caramel on the side of the cup too, but I'm gonna get right into this. Wow, that's really good. So it's like, that's cool. It's creamy apple juice, but it's got like caramel, cinnamon kind of taste. It literally tastes like you bit into like apple pie. Like, that's good. Wow, I did not expect that. Yeah, it's got a juice taste, but it's also creamy. That's different. Very cool. Usually apple juice, like even the hot apple juice or steamed apple juice, is like, it's very liquidy and juice consistency. And this is like thick, and it's got a really nice taste to it. That's cool. Very different. It still tastes like apple juice for the first like second while you're drinking it, and then it transitions into more of like a cinnamon caramel flavor. That's really cool. It's different than apple juice, very much different than apple juice, but it is apple juice, which is a few different things added to it. I think the whipped cream makes it a lot thicker, and then the caramel sauce or the caramel drizzle and the cinnamon make it more like an apple pie. This literally tastes like a hot apple pie drink, which is cool. My taste buds are confused when I drink this, because upon first sip, it's very sweet and fruity. And then you taste the cinnamon and the caramel and all that kind of stuff, and then the flavor changes in your mouth while you're drinking it. That's cool. I'm impressed by that. I've never had anything like that before. That's so cool. Wow. Caramel apple spice. Everything nice. Now this is very rich. I wouldn't be able to drink this down quickly, but that's why I didn't get a massive one. And wow, it is delicious. Every sip I'm like mind blown by that, because it's apple juice and it's thick. This doesn't feel right. If you like apple juice at all, like if you're an apple drink fan, go get this drink. This is super cool. It ends up feeling like you're drinking like a hot apple pie with like extra cinnamon and caramel on top. It's so good. I'll have one more sip and then I'll give my final review on this. I'm very impressed. Yeah, every single time I take a sip, the first like half second it tastes like I drink apple juice, and then it feels like I ate apple pie. It's very confusing, but it's very good. I am mind blown by this drink, so I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I'm not really a fan of apple juice, but this one's pretty good and very sweet. Not something I could drink all the time, but it's unique. It feels like you're drinking apple pie. Can't get any better than that. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.